I arrive at the doctor's office. I arrive at the doctor's office. I walk through the entrance. I walk through the entrance.
I check in at the front desk. I shot in at the front desk.
I give my name to the receptionist. I give my name to the receptionist. I sit in the waiting room. I sit in the waiting room. I do not feel well. I do not feel well. I think I have a fever. I think I have a fever. The nurse calls my name. The nurse calls my name. I walk to the examination room. I walk to the examination room. I wait for the doctor. I wait for the doctor. I have a headache.
I
Have a headache. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. I have a bad cough. I have a bad cough. The doctor checks my throat.
The
Doctor checks my throat. The doctor listens to my breathing. The doctor listens to my breathing. The doctor gives me advice.
the
Doctor gives me advice. I need some medicine. I need some medicine. The doctor writes a prescription.
the
Doctor writes a prescription. I go to the pharmacy. I go to the pharmacy. I give the prescription to the pharmacist. I give the prescription
to
the pharmacist.
take this medicine twice a day. Take
This
medicine twice a day.
I pay for the medicine. I pay for the medicine. I get my medicine. I get my medicine. I leave the clinic. I leave the clinic. I feel better now. I feel better now.